Okay, so you can read the dimensions and see that this desk goes up and down right on the listing, but what you can't really tell is whether it actually feels sturdy once you get it put together. So while we're building it, let's talk about that. The base and rails are heavy duty steel, and honestly, the quality was one of the first things I noticed during assembly. This is my daughter's boyfriend building it for me. I was right there alongside him. You just can't see me in the video once we start building it. But it doesn't have that lightweight, flimsy feel where you're already wondering how long it's going to last. The instructions are easy to follow, all of the hardware was included, and once it's together, the desk really does feel solid. Even while the motor is moving up and down, it's rated to hold up 100. Sorry, it's rated to hold up to 176 pounds, and I believe it absolutely would. The lift itself is smooth and surprisingly really quiet. Now, this is a smaller desk, a little bit smaller than I was even assuming it would be once I saw it built, but it's actually going to work perfect for what I need. But note the size. You can fit maybe a small laptop on there and your mouse, but you can't fit a ton on top. But this is exactly what I needed it for. So it's 32 by 19 inches, so I wouldn't be expecting a massive executive setup. But for a bedroom, a small office apartment, or especially over a walking pad, I actually think the size is one of the best features. You also get four memory presets. So once you find your favorite sitting and standing heights, you're not adjusting it every single time. You can save those presets right on the buttons. My biggest question was definitely going to be the quality and sturdiness, and after actually building it and seeing it move, I'm really impressed. It feels much more substantial than I expected for a compact standing desk. So now enjoy the building process. It really probably took 20 to 30 minutes. I think the drill died one time and we stopped for a drink break one time. And we weren't in a rush to build it, but it was really very straightforward.